Greetings of the day, learners. I am Dr. Amisha Kalra.
And I'm Dr. Kiran Wazirani. And we are here from the School of Business and Management, Christ deemed to be University. Let me start by raising some generic but interesting questions with you. The current population of India is approximately 138 crores, which is spread across 28 states of the country. Have you ever thought how many data points would there be if we are to collect biometric information of each resident of the country? Here is another one for you. One of the most successful Indian company, Reliance Industries, is listed under NSE. Its stock prices are changing every single second. How many price points you think there are for Reliance Industries share in the last 1 month? Can you imagine the humongous amount of data that is available all around us? Now the real question is, can we or any organization really use this huge data set to make business decisions?
Yes, we can. But for that, there is a need to understand a way or a methodology to represent the data in the format that can be interpreted and consumed easily by us humans. That is exactly what organizations around the world do. They convert these huge data sets into usable information by applying relevant statistical tools and software. Now here comes the role of the course on business statistics and analysis, the understanding of which is considered as vital for business decision making. With that thought in mind, we aim to fully cover the basic understanding of the concepts in business statistics like mean, mode, standard deviation, correlation, regression, and time series. The latter part of each chapter will take the learners to a world of application of the respective topic in the form of case study analysis and interpretation with the help of softwares like Excel and SPSS. This 15-week and credit transferable course is designed in a way that is simple and easy to understand. Live examples, case studies, videos, and discussion forums would make the learning even more exciting for you all.
We'll try our level best to make your journey comfortable and memorable. We wish a great learning and interactive journey during the entire course to all the learners.
See you in the course.